So I'm walking down the halls of IDS and I come across Phrozen. It says TH, not F, like this movie. And Ray Wu is here.
Yeah, Paul, nice to meet you.
Ray, yes.
Good.
So Ray is the founder, the CEO. I mean, he's the brains behind the outfit here, pretty much, I guess.
Yeah.
And what they've done is they've taken 3D printing to a wide level. It's not just selling a piece of equipment. It's a whole system we have here.
Yeah.
A whole workflow system.
Yeah.
So there's a whole. So why don't you tell about it?
Oh yeah, okay. So for this ideas, we try to bring a whole new image of Frozen to all dental industries. And here in this year, we bring two lines. One is a full solutions or Resin 3D printing solutions, from the file preparation, resin preparation, 3D printing, and to the post processing, and also end user applications. Yeah, you can see the aligner trimmers in our booth.
Yeah, aligner trimmer. That's very cool.
Yeah, yeah. And our second focus will be the metal 3D printing. We build our metal 3D printing, desktop size.
Oh, boy.
Yeah. Okay. To our users, that's based on our users' feedback. We develop the metal 3D printers for our users, which is economic and it is a desktop size. It can save your space. It's not a giant one.
If you look behind us, you'll see it.
Yeah.
The other printers I've seen are bigger than my house.
Yeah. You can put it on your table.
Yeah. So one of the other features, and it is a feature, is your price point is very economical.
Yeah.
I mean,
should I tell the price?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we are targeting on $85,000 per unit for the printer. Yeah.
But what about your regular printers for the offices?
You mean for our racing?
3D printers, yeah.
Yeah.
They're not $10,000, are they?
Yeah, it's more than 10,000, right?
Yeah.
You mean our racing printer?
The regular printers, yeah.
Yeah, our resin printer actually is within 6,000.
Yeah.
Within 6,000, you can buy the whole line from the preparation to the post processing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's Phrozen, Frozen, and Ray.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
You too.